Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. Getting paid $750 or more just by signing up is one of the easiest ways for you to make money online, and I'll share 5 different apps with you that will help you start making money. Or I'm going to show you some apps that will let you make $750 or more from them if you're serious about it, and the best part is that you can make money wherever and whenever you want. You just need your phone and you're good to go. Just download these apps and sign up and you're good to go. We also mentioned that it's absolutely free and available worldwide. It's very easy to sign up and you can get paid for using these apps no matter where you are in the world. The more apps you download, the more money you'll get. You'll also be able to get paid through different methods. Top 4 Earn is here to teach you methods and how to make money online. All you have to do is put in the initial effort, and the money should keep coming in without you doing any additional work. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, like the video and feel free to leave comments below with any questions, concerns or suggestions you might have. Now let's get started. The first app that I'm going to show you is called Survey Time. You'll get paid by taking online surveys here. For each completed survey you'll receive $1 for brands and stores of your choice. My favorite thing about this website is that the surveys are really simple and it'll take you less than a minute to finish. This is where you'll be signing up. Sign up for free. You can sign up with Facebook, Google or Twitter. You can also sign up through your email account. Click on I agree with the terms and conditions from Survey Time and start now. If you scroll down you'll see the different payment methods here. You'll be paid using any of these payment methods. After clicking on Start Now you'll then be directed to this page where you'll be required to answer a few questions. Click on this button right here. To begin you'll have to answer 31 different questions. It's basically about your personal information, where you're from, hobbies, interests, etc. This survey will take around 5 minutes to complete, and once you've finished the survey, the following surveys will only take a minute to complete. You can earn a quick $1 for every survey you complete. Next on our list is called Junk Fill. Just head over to Google and search for Junk Fill. You can download this for free. Just click here. As you may have noticed, they have a lot of users. They have almost 8,000 registered users. Junk Fill is a really great and handy tool. It instantly fills out online forms with junk or custom data. Use Junk Fill to quickly get to your target page by auto-populating or auto-filling all form elements on any web page with custom or random data. Only a small number of people know about this, and Junk Fill populates text fields, fills text boxes, selects radio buttons and check boxes, and manages drop-down lists. The next one is called Profit Product Creator. Profit Product Creator is a 100% web-based application. It's a 100 done-for-you profitable digital products in less than 60 seconds. Many people are using this app and earn $1,000 online with digital products each day. Many people are making sales and commissions as a result of using Profit Product Creator. They continue to draw in for every hour and every minute. There are a few testimonies. It took me around 2 minutes to get my first product created, and in around 4 hours I made my first profits. At the end of the day I made over $911.26, which I thought was a great start. The traffic aspect of this app is pretty cool too, which I'd highly recommend using. The first product I created, this app generated $580 in sales and built my list to over 1,000 with brand new fresh buyer leads. This is absolutely incredible and is perfect for newbies and experienced. My next task is to find some affiliates, but that shouldn't be too hard if you want to boost your income. You already know that digital products are the way to go, and many successful entrepreneurs who are using online courses such as Pat Flynn, Brian Days and Neil Patel make millions of dollars. The good news is that you can create your insanely profitable digital products within 1 minute or less through this app, Profit Product Creator. The best part is that they're really high quality and have proven to sell and make you money. You can earn commissions on a daily basis with your own digital products. This is a completely new product and is supposed to be an excellent tool for assisting users in creating amazing digital information products such as ebooks, reports and PDFs. There's a wide database of over 250,000 articles available to help you create legal material for your own ebooks. You can tweak, mix and match any content in any combination to create a 100 done-for-you unique ebook in less than a minute. With this incredible feature and its revolutionary design marks a new Major shift in attracting leads for a steady stream of free traffic and boosting massive sales. It's also user-friendly. Being a beginner who's using Profit Tool Creator for the first time will never be a problem to getting the most out of this product. It's entirely possible for beginners. Overall, this is a product definitely worth considering. Make thousands of dollars online throughout the day and get free traffic through Profit Product Creator. So if you want to earn $750 or more, this website is a good place to start. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment below. Next we have remote tests. You can earn money on this website by performing basic tasks. Now this is how it works. Do tasks and get paid. It's that simple. You can do tasks through your phone or by using a computer, from labeling images to transcribing audio, or earn money by completing simple tasks. First thing you need to do is sign up. Click on I agree to the terms of service and DUDPA. Then you can sign up for free with your Facebook account or Google. After signing up, you have to register and get certified in different task categories. Once certified, you can now start working on different tasks. Lastly, for the best part, you'll get paid and make money after finishing all tasks. You can get paid every week. Enjoy the convenience and safety of working from home or anywhere you want. You'll only be needing a phone or a computer and access to the internet for this. The last and final one is called Bots. It helps in creating automated profit sites. It helps you earn $350 a day with the first natural robot content in the world. This website will also provide you with free traffic 24/7 and easy one-click monetization. We know a lot of bloggers and that a number of them are making a lot of money by creating blogs. For example, lifestyle blog earnings at $41,000 a month. Another example, recipe blog earnings at $46,000 a month. Budgeting and parenting blog $86,000 a month. For blogs, you really have a variety of categories and niches. Simply by creating a blog post, you can earn a lot of money. All you need to do is follow 3 easy steps. First step, pick a topic or a niche, any niche of your choice, something you like or something you're most passionate about, which is also profitable at the same time. Second step, activate the automated profit site. For the third and final step, monetize with multiple passive income sources. Bots pledges to monetize your blog by driving traffic and commissions with human-driven tech. It's a hands-free system that creates your blog for you, centered on your own interests, generates fresh content, and provides you free traffic to help you rank your blog site on Google. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Top 4 Earn, and I'll see you foreign.